Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to send money online internationally with Remitly. We will also put our affiliate link in the description below. Once you click on the link, you will see a page like this. First, select the country you're sending money to. After selecting, click on the Get Started button. You will now see the conversion rate. To proceed, click on Send Now. Before you continue, you need to create an account. On the fields provided, enter your email address and the password you wish to use. Then click on the Join Now button. Now, enter the amount you wish to send. Also, select the delivery speed, either Express, which will be sent in minutes, or Economy, which will take 3 days or more. Then click on Continue. On this page, select the delivery method, either through bank deposit, UPI, cash pickup, or mobile money. In this case, we'll be using bank deposit. From the list, select the recipient's bank. If you can't find it from the list, click on Choose Another Bank. Search for the bank. Click on it once it appears. Next, enter the recipient's account number. Then click on Continue. After that, enter the recipient's first and last name. Then click on Continue. For the recipient to get notified, enter the mobile phone number. However, this is just optional. Also, select the reason for sending the money. Then click on Continue. Here, enter the sender's details such as the first name, last name, and date of birth. Then click on Continue. So you need to make sure that the info you provided is the same as what appears on your ID. If it's good, click on Confirm. Also, enter your complete address. Then click on Continue. To get notified about your remittance, enter your phone number. Then click on Continue. Now here, provide a payment method. On the fields provided, enter your card's number, its expiration date, security code, and your name as it appears on card. Then click on Next. Lastly, review the transfer details. If everything's good, click on Send Money. And now your transfer has been sent. To see details, click on the View Receipt button. That's how you send money online internationally with Remitly. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.